I'm running a real estate business and I'm collecting all my lead details with the help of the WhatsApp chatbot which I've created using Pabbly ChatFlow. Now here with the help of this flow, I have automated the entire conversations such that whenever someone sends me any query, their query is automatically resolved. So here I'm also resolving the queries, answering the queries and also collecting the lead details. After collecting the lead details, I'm creating this lead in my Zoho CRM. So we are going to test this flow whether it is working fine or not. For that, I'm going to open my inbox and for now I'm going to send a template to my chat. So I'm going to click on this template, I'm going to select the template and then I'm going to send it. Now here I should have received the same template in my WhatsApp. So I'm going to open my WhatsApp and over here you can see this message can't be shown on WhatsApp web. Open WhatsApp on your phone to view. So here if I open my inbox, you can see that this is the template which I have created. View available properties, book a site visit, get price list, talk to a property expert. Now from my phone I have selected this view available property option and I'm sent this message. Now if I open my WhatsApp, you can see that I have received this message. I was not able to show you the template because I have opened WhatsApp web and sometimes the templates cannot be shown here. So here as I clicked on this view available properties from my phone, I received this option or message. Awesome, here are top available properties right now. So this is the property. These are the properties which it has sent me. Now it says schedule a visit, get price list. So if I click on the schedule a visit, it is going to ask me a few questions. First, it is asking me my first name. So I'm going to enter my first name and then it is going to ask me my last name. So I will enter and send my last name, after which it is going to ask me the preferred date. So I'm going to enter the preferred date as 20th December 2025 and send this message, after which it is going to ask me the project you want to visit. So let's suppose I want to visit this one. I'm going to send this message and then it is asking my email address. So I'm going to enter my email address as shub@pabblytudes.com. Now here as soon as I send this message, I'm going to receive a personalized thank you message and when I'm going to open my Zoho CRM, this lead will be created. So perfect Shub, your visit is scheduled. Our team will confirm shortly and send you directions. If I open my Zoho CRM and refresh this page once, you will see the same lead is being created and here it is. And if I open this, you can see the name is same. The email address which we entered was this one and then I have received the rest of the details. In the title I have added this, the project name, and I have also added the date in the description and here it is. So here I have collected the lead detail and then I have sent that to my Zoho CRM. Now we have another option of this get price list. I'm going to click on this and you will see I'm going to receive a next message. And here I have received the price list. So it has sent me the price list of all the 3 properties. If I click on this view photos, it is going to send me a photo and then if I click on this talk to an expert, so here you can see that I have received this photo. If I click on this talk to an expert, I'm going to receive a message saying sure, a prime property expert will call you within a short while. Meanwhile, feel free to explore more options. So here I have automated this entire WhatsApp conversation from sending a template to adding this lead detail to my Zoho CRM. So this is how my flow is working, and now to learn how you can also create this, then let's start creating this from the beginning. So here in this video, we are going to see how we can automate the real estate WhatsApp conversation, collect the lead details and add or create a lead in my Zoho CRM. And for this, we are going to create this flow using Pabbly ChatFlow. To visit Pabbly ChatFlow, you simply need to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser. And after browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly ChatFlow account. But before we sign in, let me quickly take you towards Pabbly community. So you can join this Pabbly community to connect with business owners, experts and the Pabbly support team. You can share tips, ask questions and get quick solutions to your automation challenges. You can stay updated on latest features and collaborate with thousands of users who help and support each other every day. Now, if you want to learn how you can join this community, then please check out the link given in the description. Let's move back towards Pabbly ChatFlow. After browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly ChatFlow account. On the top right corner, you can see 2 options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 credits free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly ChatFlow Access Now. And here it has taken me towards this dashboard where I can see the credit allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining, and the WhatsApp number added. To add your own WhatsApp number to your Pabbly ChatFlow account, simply click on this Add WhatsApp number. This WhatsApp Connect, which is a preferred method, you can do that, or you can use a manual token to connect your WhatsApp to your Pabbly ChatFlow account. Now over here, if you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can create or connect your WhatsApp to your Pabbly ChatFlow account, we have provided a video in the description. You can check that out. And on the left hand side where you can see all these features on the options: inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast flows, AI assistant, activity log, settings, and get help, we have created a dedicated and detailed video on all of these features. If you want to learn about all of these features, you can check out the link given in the description. Now to create a flow, on the left hand side we can see this option of flows. We are going to open this. So here I have landed towards the flow builder. You can see the total flows, active flows, and inactive flows. Now to create a new flow, you simply need to click on this add flow. Let's open this. So over here I have landed towards this page, and from here we are going to start creating this flow. Now to create this flow, I'm first going to start it with a template which I have created. So in this trigger event, first I have to select the trigger event. In this trigger event, I'm going to select it as template selected. I'm going to click on this choose template, and then I'm going to choose the template. This is the template which I have created by the name Prime Properties. Hi there, I'm your virtual real estate assistant from Prime Property. I can help you find your dream house, schedule site visit, or get instant pricing details. Please choose an option below. Now here are the buttons. Now when I've sent the template and when I have clicked on that option from my phone, you see as soon as I clicked the option, I was able to receive a new message related to that same button. So here we are going to create the same buttons and the messages for each of these buttons. Now over here, to create this template, what you have to do, on the left hand side where you can see all these options, you have to go towards the templates and then click on this templates list. I'm going to open this in a new tab. Here I have landed towards this templates. To create a new template, you simply need to click on this add template. And from here, you have to first select the template category. Then you have to name this template. Then you have to select the language. Then you have to select the template type. I have selected it as text. If you want to provide the header, you can do that and it will start appearing over here. And then you can provide the template format. So this is the main body of the message. Hi, welcome to Prime Property, something like that, and it will start appearing over here. Now if you want to provide the template footer, you can do that, and then we have added the interactive actions in our template. So over here I have added quick replies. So what I've done, I've simply clicked on this quick replies, add quick replies, and that's how I created the buttons, such that whenever someone click on that particular option, the next message is sent to them. After adding all these details, I simply clicked on the submit, and when this template was reviewed, what I can do, I can broadcast this template. Now on the left hand side itself, we have this option of broadcast. I'm going to open this in a new tab. I have landed towards this broadcast. To add a broadcast, you simply need to click on this add broadcast. We have landed towards this WhatsApp broadcast page. Now from here, select broadcast type. I'm going to select it as broadcast campaign. Then I have to give the broadcast name. Then I have to select the contact list. Now here, these are the contact lists which I have created. I'm going to give the broadcast name as testing. Then you can select the contact list to which particular contacts you want to send this template. So let's suppose we have selected as testing where 34 contacts are there. Then the select message type, pre-approved template message or the regular message. So I'm going to select as pre-approved template message. Then we have to select this select WhatsApp template. Now here, this was our template Prime Properties. So I'm going to select that and click on this done. And in this manner, we have selected this particular template. Now you simply have to click on this schedule. If you want to schedule this broadcast, you have to click on this yes, schedule for later, and then you can select the date and the timing. Or if you want to send this particular message to all the contacts which you have selected instantly, then you simply have to click on this no send instantly. You simply have to click on this add broadcast. If you have scheduled it, it will be sent on that particular date and time, and if you have clicked on the send instantly, it will be sent instantly. Now here we have sent the template. What is the next step? Now over here we have received this template. We have to start creating the messages for all of these quick reply buttons. So now I'm going to click on the circle, drag and drop the circle, and I'm going to create a message. I'm going to select the content type. We have this text button, media, list, single product, multi-product, single AI template. This is a template which we have just sent. The text is the one which we will be creating. If you want to send the image, video or document, you can select the media. If you want to provide many more options to your users, you can use this list. If you have single product, multi-product, you can use this. And if you want to send the AI generated message, you can use this. I'm going to click on this text button, and then it is written view available properties. If I open my WhatsApp, I've clicked on this view available properties, and as soon as I clicked on this, I received this message. So what I have done, I've simply clicked on this enter message box and enter the message, and in this manner we have created this message. Now to create the buttons, these buttons, what we have to do, we simply need to click on this add button and enter the value to these buttons: schedule a visit, get price list. So here I have created this message, and now I'm going to create the message for the schedule a visit. Now you see, if you remember that whenever I click on the schedule a visit, I am asked these questions and these details are sent to my Zoho CRM and the lead is created. Now how we do this? For that, I'm going to click on this actions, and from here I'm going to ask the question. I'm going to drag and enter this box. I'm going to build a connection between this circle and this circle, and here this was the question. Great choice. To schedule a visit, please share the following: first name. So I'm going to enter this message, and in the contact custom field, I'm going to select it as first name, and in the format, I'm going to select it as text. Now here, this question box is a very important box. With the help of this box, you can create personalized messages. You can send the details which you are collecting from your users or the customers to another CRM, Google Sheets, or anywhere. You can store that detail or you can use that detail. And to save these details, we have to create a contact custom field. Now over here, we are going to learn how we can create this contact custom field. Now, if you switch to any other feature, please make sure that you save this flow. If you do not save the flow, all the messages will be lost. So here we have saved the flow, and now on the left hand side where we can see all these options, I'm going to click on the settings and then go towards the contact custom fields. I'm going to open this in a new tab. And here I've landed towards this contact custom fields. If I scroll down, you can see all the fields which I have created. Now over here, to create a new field, you simply need to click on this add more field. You can add the field name. You have to add the name without any space and then add the description and then simply save this. In this manner, you can add as many as contact custom fields as you want. Now over here, as I've asked the question, I have added the contact custom field related to that question which I am asking, and in this manner, I am going to save the details sent by my user. We have to select the format also. If we do not select the format, the questions will not be able to send. Now in this manner, I have created the rest of the questions like the first name, last name, preferred date. Now in this preferred date, what I will be doing, I will select the contact custom field as date which I have created, and then I'm going to select the format as date. Over here I have also asked the email address, so I have selected the contact custom field as email address there and the format as email. So here in this manner I'm going to continue this flow and enter all the questions here, but over here you see that I was able to receive this personalized message. So with the help of this contact custom field only, we were able to send my user this personalized message. I'm quickly going to complete this entire flow, and we are going to learn all the steps which are left after this. So here I have completed this flow. Now over here we are going to name this flow as real estate lead journey, and then I'm going to save this. Now over here I have first created the question of this first name. Here this was the message, after which I created the same question for the last name, selected the contact custom field as last name, selected the format. Same for this preferred date, as I've told you, selected the contact custom field, the format, and then the project which you want to visit, contact custom field, and the format will be any, and then the email address, contact custom field, the format. Now, with the help of this API request, I was able to send all these details to my Zoho CRM and create a lead there. So this is a very important step. We are going to click on this actions, and over here you can see all these options. We have this condition which will help us branch the flow. We can ask the address, we can ask the question, we can ask the location, media, we can set the custom field, we can add the tag, we can send the details of my user to another CRM, we can send the AI message, we can assign the AI assistant to this particular flow, we can delay the messages to be sent afterwards, and we can connect one flow to another flow. Now over here what I've done, I've simply drag and drop this API request, and then I've clicked on this webhook URL field. As I do this, this API request box will appear in front of me where I'm going to enter the webhook URL. Now how to get this webhook URL? If I open the all Pabbly apps page, I'm going to click on this Pabbly connect, and then I will be redirected towards this dashboard from where I'm going to create the workflow, and I'm going to select the workflow builder. As I do this, I will be landed towards this page from where I'm going to select the trigger application as Webhook by Pabbly, and then I'm going to select my action application as Zoho CRM. So first let me open this trigger application. I have selected the application as Webhook by Pabbly and the event as Catch Webhook. Here the Webhook URL was provided to me. What I've done, I've simply copied this Webhook URL and then I've pasted that over here. Next, I've simply clicked on this add more field and added all the questions and the contact custom field which I've created. After which I've clicked on this test, and the test data was sent to my workflow here. So over here, I'm going to open this box which I've already created. This is the box. You can see I have entered the first name, last name, email, project and date, and the contact custom field for all the questions which I've already created. I've clicked on this test, and the test data was sent to my workflow like this, and then I have simply saved this. Please make sure that when you click on this test data will be sent, after which you have to click on this recapture webhook response, send the real-time data, and then you are going to receive the real data. When you receive the test data from here, the fields will be invalid like this email and the date. So you will not be able to map that to your action step, and that's why it is necessary that you recapture the response, send the real-time data, and then you map these values to your action step. After we received these details, we clicked on this action step, we selected the action application as Zoho CRM, and then we entered all the required or the details which we have captured from this Webhook by Pabbly or a WhatsApp chatbot. After which we simply clicked on the save and send test request, and we have created the lead in my Zoho CRM. So here, with the help of this API request, we were able to do this. Please make sure that you click on this save after sending the test data. Otherwise, even after adding this webhook, you won't be able to send your data. Please make sure that you click on this save. After which we have finally sent them the message in which we are giving them the confirmation, a personalized message. So this is the message which we have received, a personalized message. So what I have done in this personalized message, I have simply entered the contact custom field which I have created for the first name with this $sign. If I open my contact custom field, and let's suppose this field name is job role, what I'm going to do, I'm simply going to copy and paste that to my message. So whenever I receive a value to this particular contact custom field, it will be replaced by this. So this is how you can create a personalized message. We are done with this. We have another option of view price list, in which I've created the simple text button message. I have entered the button as view photos and talk to expert. In this talk to expert, I've again sent them the normal message. Now in this view photos, what I've done, I have drag and drop this. I've selected the option as media button. Like I've told you before, if you want to send the image, video, audio, you can select the media button, and then in the media type, I've selected it as image, after which I've simply clicked on upload. Over here I can see this remove uploaded file. I'm going to remove this. I'm simply going to click on this cloud, and I have already downloaded the image which I'm going to upload, and in this manner you can upload the images. I'm going to upload only one image. So for the test purpose, I have done this. So here, this is how you can upload any media. Now over here in this first message, which was this view available properties, I have created this message. I have entered all the properties, and then I've provided the button schedule a visit and then get price list. So here what I have simply done, I have simply built the connection between this circle and this circle, and get price list. I have created the message for this get price list also. So I have built the connection between this circle and this circle. So you can build the connection transition between any of these circles. So in this flow, we have sent the template, we have asked or collected the details of this lead, we have sent them the details which they require, we have scheduled the visit, and now it is very important that you keep this flow active. If you keep this inactive, the messages won't be sent. And then you save this. In this manner, all the messages will be saved. We are going to test this for the one last time, and I'm going to click on this template and send this template to my own chat. I'm going to open my WhatsApp and check whether I have received the same message there or not. And here I'm going to open my phone and I'm going to send the message. So here I have received 4 buttons: view available property, book a site visit, get price list, talk to property experts. So we are going to book the site visit. I'm going to select that option, and as I select this option, the next message is sent to me. I'm going to enter my name here. Then I'm going to enter my last name here. I'm going to send this message. Then I'm going to send the preferred date. So I'm going to enter the preferred date as this one. Then I'm going to enter the project which I want to visit. So let's suppose I want to visit this lake view. I'm going to send this message. And then I'm going to enter my email address. And then I'm going to finally send this message. As I send this message, this lead will be created in my Zoho CRM, and I'm going to receive a personalized message. So here I have received a personalized message. I'm going to open Zoho CRM and I'm going to click on the leads. So here I'm going to refresh this page once. And here we have created this lead. If I open this, we can see all the details are same. So the email address which we entered was this, and the rest of the details in the title I have entered lake view in my workflow, and in the description I have added this date. So this flow is working completely fine. Now to summarize, first I selected my trigger event as template selected. I have sent that template, after which I have created the messages for each of the quick reply buttons which I have created. First I have created the message for this view property, available property, then for this book a site visit, then for this talk to expert or get the price list. We have also created the contact custom field using which we have asked the question, saved the details of the user, and then we have also created the lead using this Pabbly Connect workflow in our Zoho CRM account. So this is how this WhatsApp chatbot is going to run. If you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbots. I hope you liked this video and understood this video very well. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly ChatFlow. Now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly ChatFlow for 100% free and create your own WhatsApp chatbot.